Namaste, dear children. I am eagerly waiting for the clouds to rain during rainy days. Are you also waiting for the same and missing the rains? If yes, then we need to plan something. I am planning that we will make Freaky the frog and Sneaky the snail for requesting the clouds to rain. What do you say about that? So let's start with today's activity. For today's activity, we will need some craft papers, glue, a black sketch pen and scissors. Here I have taken a dark green color paper. I am going to use this bowl to draw a circle here. So let us draw a circle first. Then we need to cut it with a scissor. Here I have cut the circle. We will put it aside. We will take another paper of green color. Here I have changed the shade. You need to take a smaller bowl now for cutting another circle. If you do not have other shade of green color, you can just take the same color paper. Here I draw a circle with the smaller bowl, and with the help of the scissor, I cut the circle. So my two circles are ready here. Now I need to fold the bigger circle like this in the center. Just see whether it is rocking. Yes, now we are going to paste the smaller circle on the bigger semicircle like this. So with the help of glue, I am going to paste it here. Here I have cut two ovals with white color paper for the eyes of the frog. So with the help of a black sketch pen, I draw the eyeballs of the frog here and color it like this. Now we need to paste these two eyes like this or like this on the face of the frog. So let's paste it with the help of glue. Okay, now here I have cut some smaller and some bigger circles which I am going to paste on the body of the frog. You have seen the circles, the dots on the body of the frog. So we are going to paste these different size of circles. Now let's make the frog smiling. Freaky the frog is smiling. And now we need to add the long tongue of the frog. So here we can use a quilling strip, or if you do not have a quilling strip, you can cut it from any other craft paper also. And we will paste the long tongue of the frog. So here Freaky the frog is ready. See how he is dancing? Now let's make a rocking snail as well. I have cut two different sizes of circles. One is bigger and one is smaller. So I'm going to fold the bigger one in the center like this. Let's check whether it is rocking properly. Yes. Now we need to draw spiral line on the body of the snail like this. And then with the help of the sketch pen or any other opposite color, we can draw some textures on the body of the snail like this. And then we are going to paste it like this. And now we need two antennas or the eyes of the snail. So here I have cut two strips and two small circles for the same. So I'm going to paste the smaller circle on the body of the snail first. And then we will be pasting these two strips in the front. Here like this. And then the two circles. Before pasting the circles, we will just color the eyeballs. And then let's paste the circles on those two strips. So here the snail is also ready and it is also rocking. Can you see Freaky the frog and Sneaky the snail? I have made some more snails with other papers of different colors and some more frogs of different sizes. Here is a family of the frogs and snails. So you can also make different colored frogs and snails. Now I am going to give you another interesting task along with this. You just have to sit and imagine what would Freaky the frog and Sneaky the snail be discussing about the upcoming rains. You need to write a conversation between these two monsoon creatures. So just give wings to your imagination, think about the conversation, write it on a paper, and along with the images of Freaky the frog and Sneaky the snail, send me the conversation also on my mail ID shikha@zenix.net. Enjoy the activity. Take good care of yourself. Thank you so much.